jump in. Jump in, Ben. 2, 1, go!
How was I to know this moment would be one of our last? One thing in life that makes me wish I could change the past. Watching you snorkel for the first and last time, anything is possible if you train your mind. All I can do is take it as a monumental omen, cherish your loved ones with every single moment. Inhale life's essence, indulge in pure presence. I cherish all of my memories with you. I will never regret the things I do, just the things I don't. Hold your loved ones tight. Go out and experience all that is illuminated by light. Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board and come sail away with Skateaway.
So we're
So little pineapple.
So we're about to show you what living sustainably is truly like today. Because we are gonna do what today, this morning?
Well, we're in Mission Beach, and it turns out there's not any washing machines.
No laundromat,
No
not for
laundromats.
like 25 kilometers, and we don't have a car because we're full boaties now. I just sold my van, and now we gotta get creative and figure out how we're gonna do laundry.
Yeah. So we've found a creek that we can tend it to, and then we're gonna wash it in there and then hang them out to dry.
No soap, just give a good rubbing.
Yeah, good rubbing, some good loving.
Good soaking, and hopefully it doesn't smell bad. Well, I guess we both don't use shampoo and conditioner or soap on our bodies, and no soap on our dishes. So really, what's the difference with our clothes, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna kick out that last chemical.
So let's give this a go. Laundry here. Let's go to the creek! So we found this little beach that had a creek coming up it off the side under the bridge next to the jetty. Found this yesterday and thought, oh, what a perfect place to try to wash the clothes. There is a slightly little bit of salt water in here, but mostly fresh. It's quite beautiful too. Oh, you're just chucking it in.
This is the pre-soak.
Say what?
This is the pre-soak.
Pre-soak.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder what people would think of this song.
Everything is crazy.
And then you're gonna jump in and swim with them. Oh boy.
You gonna help?
No, I'm just gonna film. Are you gonna dive our laundry. There's something to the bottom.
Rub it up.
Yeah.
You're about to lose your underwear again.
It's floating out to sea. What are you
We're on
doing?
a bit too deep a cycle.
You don't want to jump in for it? It's all in and nothing for this laundry.
Originally, I came to Mission Beach to be with family, but was blown away by the abundance and diversity of the fringing reefs surrounding these picturesque islands. Coastal reefs are the most affected by human influences, such as overfishing, pollution, excess nutrients, sedimentation, and freshwater runoff that collect in the river systems from surrounding water catchments and are flushed out onto the ocean. They are hence often not as pristine or as healthy as some more remote locations, such as on the Great Barrier Reef. Mission Beach, with its small population and relatively environmentally conscious community, make this place a treat to explore. So this morning we're going to the island grocers on Goold Island. There's apparently some crocs to be wary of, which is a bit funny when you're going to do your shopping. But we're going to go try find some Davidson plums. It is the season, so we'll see what we can find.
يا صديق في المنافي رغم المسافات وسط المناحات والغيوم إلى من عاش حرا كما النسور عظما.
There we go. Davidson plum, Bowden plum. But these ones on the ground have usually been bit or scratched at by little malamies or like bush mice. Occasionally you'll get a good one. Oh, that one's good. But to get the best ones, we're gonna go up in the tree.
فداك الشوارع البيوتات والزقوقات البنيات والولادات الشديرات والتراب ساهر الليالي علما وذكرى تناجي السما والنجوم عن صديق شيخ وعن تديو.
Pretty good? Whole bag full. And now we'll leave those in a brown paper bag for a week or two and they'll be delicious. There's not much meat on them, but they're really nice, especially if you let them ripen for a longer period. Get a lot sweeter.